Where are you going, David? I'm going to market with my friends. I have a better idea. I would like you to tidy up a bit first, then you go to market. Your things are spread all over the house. Because I almost fell over your hair dryer on the way to the bathroom. And then I almost stepped on your headphones when I saw there. And your tablet was on the stairs. Brother, I'll do it after when I come back. You would better do it now. You need to be more tidy and put things away after use. So from now, try to pick things up and put them on its places. Then you go to the market with your friends. Okay, brother, I'll go and get them. And then you must tidy the living room. Over there, magazines are spread all over the table. And I also saw the lot of crumbs on the sofa. Oh yes, I ate sandwich there, but I haven't gotten to clean it up yet. It completely slipped from my mind, but I'll do it now. And there is also a pile of shoes near the front door. I think they all belong to you. Don't forget to put them on shoes track. Fine, brother, I'll take care of those too. Brother, tell me about your work. You work in bank, right? Yes, that's right. I am a bank teller. What do you have to do? I just take cash, debit cards, checks and other payments from the customers and exchange customers' money with foreign currency, things like that. Is it hard working? It's pretty hard work. I had been tired at the end of the day. Is it a stressful job? Yes, it is very stressful job. There is a sufficient amount of risk when I dealing with the large sums of cash. I must follow the procedure very carefully. I also deal with the very long line of customers. Some customers take lot of time and ask lot of questions about transactions. It means those customers which are in line become impatient and irritable. Is banking a boring job? Well, yes, it can get boring sometimes. Why don't you get an easier job? Because I love this job. It pay me enough amount of salary. We don't need very much. Why don't you just take it easy? I have to save money for your college admission. Brother, when I get into college, I promise I'll do my best. That's a big relief. You study hard, and that will be my best reward. You are absolutely right, brother. Okay, do your best, dear.